I'm Hea from Seoul.
Today, let's add a little fun to our everyday salad. We're making a silken tofu salad with delicious Korean flavors. Slice the lettuce, onion, and tomato. Cut the avocado and slice it as well. Arrange the lettuce on a serving plate. Using a mandolin, slice the cucumber directly over the lettuce. Place the avocado and tomato nicely. Then add the silken tofu in the center. Whoops! Aw, that's okay. We can fix it. Let's give it some style. Looks pretty good, right? Top it with the onion and green onion. Now let's quickly make the dressing. Combine sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, olive oil, sesame oil, and grated garlic. Whisk everything together until well combined. Drizzle the dressing over the salad. Finish with freshly ground sesame seeds and black pepper. Finally, squeeze in half a tangerine for extra flavor. This really brightens up the salad. Now it's time to taste.
Perfect.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Korean home cooking recipes.